Hello, my name is EungChan. I'm on an internship for Next Kernel. I have built email workflow called Ticket Manager using Microsoft Power Platform. Today, I'm going to explain about my project using technical documentation. Before introduction, this system is not for users. This is only for the hosts and business managers. This is a list of contents. Firstly, I'm going to introduce how to use this system. This system is used by two platforms, mobile application and website. You can get emails only related to specific project using filter. For example, this system approves emails having only contents of ticket. The manager can change approved condition anytime. And you can control status to proceed something using this application. All of mails in this system have contents about problems or errors because the email senders are all customers or business partners, so the hosts have to solve the problem after getting customers' mails as soon as possible. And you can send mails after solving problems using this platform. If you edit an email body and change the status with resolved, and the email will go to customers automatically. And you can also create emails in this system. You can see the real platforms. This is the real application. So if you click this button, you can see the email list. This is the email list, and when you open your applications on your phone, and all of these are the emails. And if you click this any emails, and you can check the title, email body, or date, and status attachment, and you can edit anytime, anywhere, using your phone through these platforms like this. So if you click this, you can download the attachments. Okay. And also you can create emails. Click this button, and so you can add title, you can write email body, you can choose the status. The wait for host means wait for response from the host. And also in progress, resolved, and cancelled. And you have to add your email address because you are sender. This is a real application. And next, I'm going to explain how to use the website. This image is a screenshot of the website. So the website shows the workflow for the email system. The emails that come to a site if someone sends an email to a system. The email is divided by properties: creating date, sender, receiver, subject, email body, and attachment. So the host can check all properties of all emails on one page. And this site has a special function which can control the process to solve the problems. if the host starts to solve the problem from the email, the status in the site will be in progress. And if the problem is solved, the status will be resolved. So the host can check all process to solve the problems and distinguish by status. If you enter the website, you can see the platform like this image. It looks like a table. It has columns and rows. Each column has own properties. This table shows the properties for each column. So the host can check emails using subject column and can send email using the email body column and subject column. If you want to check the email contents, you can check this using the subject column. So if you click the subject column, you can see this platform. So it is title, email body, and status. If the email has contents, you can check also contents like this. If you want to send emails, you can send emails using the email body. If you click email body, you can see like this platform. Oh, I'm gonna show the real platforms. Yeah, this is the real platform if you enter the website. So it is very simple, but every status has own contents. So wait post means wait for response from the host. So this means the host didn't check the emails yet. So if you click this button, you can check the emails and resolved. This means all of the problems are resolved. So and in progress and cancelled. So as I told in the technical documentation, if you want to check the emails, you can click the subject column. Okay, as you see that, this is email platform. So as you see that, it is the title of email, it is the email body, and the status, and if this email has contents, it will be true. If it is true, you can check the attachments, right? And after problem is resolved, you have to send email to the customers. So you can check the email body. So if you can send emails using the email body. So if you click this button, you can check the subject, body, or status. So if you edit the subject if you want, and if you edit the sub email body and change the result, this mail go to customers automatically. Okay. So this is a summary of this system. Also, so if the email come to this system, the email is divided by properties. So when this email is created, it's ID number, and who send emails, and what is the title of email, what is email body, and also when it's modified, and what is the status for this email, and who check this email, who modified this email. Next, I'm gonna explain about the process to build a Sharepoint list. Firstly, I created a site and choose the theme site option. Secondly, I create a list and also create a document library. List is to store and separate mail contents, and document library is to store and manage only attachments. And add columns to the list and build properties for columns using columns edit and also using list settings. So I'm gonna show the real settings. Yeah. So if you click this button and column settings, it is where is okay, edit. Yeah, you have to click edit, and you can edit the properties of the columns, so you can choose multiple lines of text or single line of text. Okay, and you can also write the description of this column. You can write the description of this column. Okay, and there is another way to choose the property of column. Is you can click this button in settings and choose the list settings. So there are columns in this list, and you can choose any column to edit column properties. So if you click this email body, you can edit your property in details. There's so many options. So you can define the number of lines, and you can define type in details, and more detail in the column edit in the list. And also you can add the JSON type, the strings. Okay, that's it. So this is a diagram of the Sharepoint list and document library. If the emails come to this system, and all of emails are divided by properties using filter. So in this system, the word ticket is a filter, and if the email has attachment, is it true, and all of attachments is copied to the attachment folder, and it is managed by this folder. And next is how to build a Power Automate. To build Power Automate is not difficult. So if you click this button, it's integrate, and choose Power Automate and choose create flow. It's very easy to find in the list, and you can create Power Automate. And okay, I'm going to show you real settings. So if you click integrate and choose Power Automate and create flow, you can see versions. Okay, these are Power Automate structures that I made before. So if you click create, and you can find this button is automated cloud flow. Okay, so if you click this button, and you can define the name of this flow. So anyway, just test, and you can find. So if we need email, so we need get email at the first time. So when a new email arrives, if you choose, and you can see this platform. Okay, so is include attachments. Yes, a subject filter. So if you write this a ticket, it's all emails can arrive with the word a ticket in their title. Okay, and we have to add some tools. So return to my workflow, my flows. So I say email workflow, edit. So when a new email arrives, and show more options, and we can add some other functions. Is clicking this button. So if you click this button, it's error action. So we have to add something. Is create item. Yeah, if you choose this item, you can find out this form. So you can select your site you work now, and you can select the list name. So this list name is a ticket manager, it's an email workflow, and so many managers. And also, yeah, this means is when a new email arrives, I'm gonna create item in the list, in the Sharepoint list. So what we need is we need the subject, we need the title of email, and also we need a status of email. So it's a wait for host and in progress resolved. And also we need sender, who send emails. And also you need email body, we need has attachment. Has attachment is has attachment, yes, true. Has attachment, no, it's false. And also email date, when this email is created. Okay, and we need another option, we need another functions. So we have to click this button as add-on action. Also we apply to each. Yes, here is. So we click this button. Here we can see this form. So is we create this form to manage it attachment set apart. So select the output from previous steps, we need attachments. Okay, we select attachment and click this button, add attachment. So we also defined the site and list we work now, and ID, yeah, is the list item ID. Also it is defined automatically, and we need first name and the file content. Okay, it means it's attachment name, also attachment content. We only need two things to manage the attachments. Okay, that's it, right? And do you want the attachment to set apart in the other folders in the other site? So we can make the workflows. It's also same. So we can add conditions. So when an item or file is modified, so we also define the list, the website, and the website. So item or file is modified, get changes, and what changes? This ID, it is email ID, and also So we have defined what is changed in the email body. What is changing? So trigger window start token. So if the start token is changed from until the start token is changed, okay, and we need to add condition. So has column changed? Has column what? Has column email has column changed? This column is email body, should be email body, okay. It has column changed is equal to true, to be true. If condition is yes, send emails. Send emails to whom? Is emails from email. From email is the sender. The sender will be a customer's or business, will be a customer's or business partner. Sender will be customers or business partners. And the body is email body, title is email title. And if no, there's no action. Okay, that is the total structures for this project. That is a total structure for this project. As I've shown you, you can also find all of the forms, all of the structures on the technical documentation. So when a new emails, create a Sharepoint item, apply it to each, and also link to flows when email is sent from email. So choose a Sharepoint list, make a flows. When an item or file is modified, choose which part will be changed. And also choose which column is changing. If the column is changes true, yeah, we can send the email to customers and business partners. This is the whole diagram of Power-Automate. So the new mail arrives. These mails should be filtered by a title, okay. And after that, all emails are listed in the Sharepoint list. So create item, the subject, email body, email status, attachments, and if the email has attachment, yeah, it can be managed in the attachment folders. And after when resolve the problems, host can send email to senders using this platform. This is the whole diagram of Power-Automate, and also it can be the diagram of the whole system. Thank you for watching video. Thank you.